What is going on, everybody? Matt here with today Big Pine and MOBStreet. We're doing a collab video. So we had a truck here this morning when we got to work. Found out that it was a truck from Yamaha. Now, you all know that I'm a big fan of the TW200, and this is the first sign that I've seen so far of the 2027 TW200s. So Trent over there got them off the truck for us, and we are going to see if we can take a look at these and see kind of a first peek. These are still in the box, so obviously, if you did not know, these come as a 2-pack. So there are 2 TW200s in each of these boxes. We got 8 of them today. So once Trent pulls that one off, I'm gonna see if he'll let me unbox it so we can show you guys what they look like. How mad would you be if I open this?
I don't care.
You don't care? All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do then, we're gonna set our camera right here. We're gonna grab our handy dandy pocket knife right here. And we are going to pop these boxes open here. This is, I have honestly never unboxed one of these. This is kind of fun. So let's go across the top here. Now watch, I'm gonna be so excited. I'm gonna flip that lid open and toss the camera on its head. All right. Okay, here we go. We are taking the first look at the 2027 TW200. There we go. As you can see, they come in a set, and we have 8 of them that showed up today. So the 2027 is still that gray that has been on there for the last couple years. Taking our first look. Nice. All right, let's take a look here even more. So there's our front fenders, there's our tires. Taking a look, make sure that there's no freight damage. All those come set up or sent just like this, and all packaged nice and neatly. So sweet, 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 sweet. All right, you guys, that means we have 8 of these here at Big Pine Sports now. So if you are looking for a brand new TW200, a 2027 TW200, this actually is the 40th year of the TW200. I really do wish that they would have done something maybe a little different with the color scheme for the, let me put these on, a little different with the color scheme for the, you know, the 40th anniversary. But maybe it's not that big of a deal to everybody else as it is to me. I don't know. I love the fact that the TW200 has been going strong and remained pretty much unchanged since 1987. You guys, this is one of those bikes that, I don't know, just is so simple, so welcoming. I mean, just one of those that a lot of folks are gonna actually comment on this video and be like, why didn't they do fuel injection? Why didn't they do disc brake? Why didn't they do, you know, and I get it, but there's also something about the fact that it hasn't changed that kind of speaks to, I don't know, that kind of just speaks to the beauty of the TW200. It's not anything fancy. It's not like, I don't know, unapologetic in its ways of unchanging, I guess. I don't know exactly how to say that all, but We have 8 of these now in stock here at Big Pine Sports. If you are looking for a new TW200, give them a call, 435-427-3338. Come down, talk TWs with me. I'd be more than happy to chat with you about these bikes and just the ins and the outs of them. I absolutely love them. Planning on doing quite a bit more of them. Still quite a few things going on. And also, if you want one and you want to do a few things to it, make sure to check out Bradley Performance. We are a dealer for Bradley Performance here at Big Pine Sports. So if there's something from Bradley that you want to add to your TW200 while it's brand new, while you're let us know. We can get all this stuff, we can get it loaded up, we can get it installed for you. So hit us up, let us know if you got comments or questions, put those down below. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Oh no.